Hey guys, let's see how to connect this projector to external speakers. I have two of them here. One is a Bluetooth speaker and the other one is connected via cables. And the third one, of course, is the speaker here on the projector. So I'm going to play a music here, and then you're gonna hear from the internal speaker. And the second one that I'm going to connect is this cabled speaker, and the third one via Bluetooth, okay? So I'll stay silent for a while, connecting every single device and pointing here so we can hear and see which one is working, okay? And by the end of the video, we can talk again. So basically, I'm just start the music here and start from this speaker. And to connect to the projector, I just will use this cable here. This connects to the sound output, and this one to the USB port so I can power the device, or you can use an external power adapter as well. So I'm basically connecting just right here. See here for the sound and here for the power, okay? So let's just start playing the music here. Okay guys, so as you can hear, it's coming from different speakers, right? And it's working pretty fine. Now it's not playing in any speaker anymore, right? But you can hear the difference when it plays from this internal speaker, and then from the cabled one, and finally from the Bluetooth one, which is the best, right? I'll leave the link in the description for every device here. I'm using this projector, which is pretty good. You can connect via Bluetooth and via cable as well. And it works with internal applications like Netflix, also YouTube and Amazon and every other devices. Here, let me just show you here back on the main screen that you have option for Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, and also can come here to the settings and then select Bluetooth, and from here can connect to the device, right? Right now I'm using this one, which is the KM10, and it works pretty fine, okay? So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can connect an external speaker to this projector. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.